In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Brisk Teaching to Chrome. Brisk Teaching is an AI assistant designed for educators, and once it's set up, it works right inside the tools you already use. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the extension installed, pinned to your toolbar, and ready to use with Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Classroom, and even PDFs and regular websites. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome profile where you want the extension, especially if you switch between personal and school accounts. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store. In the store's search bar, type Brisk Teaching. You should see a result titled Brisk Teaching, AI Assistant for Teachers. Click that result to open the extensions page. On the extension page, you can quickly confirm you're in the right place by checking that the name matches and that it looks like the official Brisk Teaching Chrome extension. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you may see a brief notification letting you know it's been added. After the installation finishes, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. Find Brisk Teaching in the list, then click the pin icon. Pinning keeps the Brisk Teaching button visible on your toolbar so you can access it quickly whenever you need it. Now, click the Brisk Teaching icon on your toolbar. If you're prompted, sign in with your Google account and allow the requested permissions. These permissions let Brisk Teaching work smoothly with your Google tools, like reading and enhancing the content you're working on in Docs or Slides, or integrating with Classroom. Granting them ensures all features can function as intended. You're all set. From here, Brisk Teaching is available as you work. Open a Google Doc to draft materials, a Google Slide deck to build lessons, or your Google Classroom to streamline tasks. You can also use it while viewing PDFs and browsing websites to support planning and instruction. Look for the Brisk Teaching icon or panel when you're in these tools to get started. That's the full setup. You opened Chrome, found Brisk Teaching in the Chrome Web Store, added the extension, pinned it for quick access, signed in, and allowed permissions. With everything in place, you can start leveraging Brisk Teaching to save time and enhance your teaching workflow right inside Chrome.